Sunny, and today we're gonna make pizza the easy way. First, we're gonna need some flour. Next, we're gonna need pepperoni and cheese. Some biscuits, and we just started. Look away, Mommy. Look away.
Okay.
Lastly, tomato sauce.
All right.
Let's get started. All right, let's get started with the flour. I'm gonna put it out or sprinkle it.
Okay.
That's good enough, no?
Spread it.
No, bubbles.
All right.
Mommy.
Okay, Sunny, did you put some? ¿Ya le pusiste?
That's
Yes,
a lot,
Alice,
Sunny.
I
That's
know.
a lot. Can I have a little bit?
All right, ask her if you can grab some.
Can I have some? Okay. It's snowman.
Mm-hmm. It's snowman. All right, girls. So next we're gonna do what? We're gonna go ahead and roll it out, right?
Yeah.
All right, come on, roll it out. Mira, Jimena, asira. Look, Sunny, look. All right, how's it going?
It's pretty good.
¿Y tú, Jimena? Mira, hazle como vale. Come on, right here, right here.
She's gonna need. Now we're done. We're gonna add the saucy sauce. That's sprinkled. So now we're gonna put it on.
All right, let's see.
Wow. Now we're gonna add the cheese.
Cheese and more cheese.
I like how you did it.
You do?
That's gonna be a good ending. Now do I go like how I sprinkled it with
Sure.
that?
Mm-hmm.
Now we're gonna add the peppers.
Pepperoni. You're a pepperoni.
I'm a chicken macaroni.
How's it going over there, Sunny?
I'm dipping the pizza.
Okay.
So I'm gonna just dip it.
Hold on. All right, so you're putting pepperoni now? And we like mini pepperonis, right?
Yeah, excuse me guys.
Ooh.
That's gonna be funny for my video. Wow.
Meanwhile. ¡Tarán! Dale, Jimena. Dale. Ándale.
The flower's on her hair.
Good job. Go. Sunny, bunny. Woo.
Now we're gonna put it on our pizza on the pan.
And then put it in the oven, right?
Yeah.
We're going to put it in there for about 15 minutes at 350, right? All right, let's do it. All right, Sunny's now making hers. We kind of have to help her. I see. All right, good job, Sunny. Okay, now let's put the cheese. Ready? Échale. Échale queso, mami. Okay? Uh-oh, oven's ready. All right, let's put the pepperoni, Sonny. ¿Cómo está? ¿Ya? ¿Listo? ¿Está listo? Ok, vamos a ponerlo en el horno, ¿ok? All right, let's do it.
So right now I'm doing my homework. I just ate all my pizza. I forgot to tell you how it tastes like. And my mom said about, we forgot to tell the kids about how did it taste like. So if you wanna eat my pizza about I made, you need to watch that video, give it a thumbs up, smash that bell, and if it turns to green, you're a part of my channel. Make sure you try this again at home because it's really good. I need to get back to my homework, guys. Bye.